Hi everybody, it's Brilliant. Welcome to my channel. Well, you remember the last video I did, I was talking about making money sleeping at a hotel or lodge. So I just visited this other lodge. It's a lodge close to Dombosha in Hatfield. It's called Ochi Safari. So it is divided into Ochi City and Ochi Safari. So I'm just going to show you the side where there's Ochi City and not the safari. I couldn't go to the safari because it's a bit far, but then I'll just show you the rooms and around the Ochi City part, as you can see. So basically this is a very popular place as people visit. You can see the car park is full, and it's not very usual for a lodge to be like that. So you can see that there are a lot of cars parked hereby, and the car park is actually full. So I couldn't get into the rooms just because the lodge was fully booked. All these rooms had people. So basically it's a place which has a traditional or safari touch. You can see the gazebos with thatch, but then it also has like this modern touch inside and around. You can see that it's tiled. It doesn't have like the traditional floors. It's a little bit tiled. I think that's just hinting on the modern part of it. So yeah, this is one of the lodges in Harare that you can visit. I think it's just outside Harare after Borrowdale. Yeah, you see. So a little bit of face brick, but then the roof is thatch. The rooms inside, they told me that it doesn't have a ceiling. It doesn't have a ceiling, so you actually be on your bed and see the thatch, the grass in the roof. Over conference services. This side is the canteen or the restaurant side, so you can have your dinner on those benches or sit down on the grass, have some kind of a picnic on the grass. You can enjoy, take pictures, eat your lunch, edit your videos, whatever you want to do, make business calls with that natural and beautiful environment. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on my videos so that next time I know that I'm still going to vlog, or it's time you don't like me to vlog, you just want me to do the factual videos. See you soon.